Monkey the explorer woke up with a grin, packed up his bag, adventure to begin. Swinging through the treetops, feeling the breeze, dreams of discovery across the seven seas. Oh, Monkey the explorer, brave and true, with his best friend Kanggaro too. Jumping high and swinging low, everywhere together they go. Kangaroos hopping with a thump and a beat, strong little legs and lightning feet. Through the jungle, desert and snow, no place too far for the friends to go. Oh, Monkey the explorer, brave and true, with his best friend Kanggaro too. Jumping high and swinging low, everywhere together they go. When the sun goes down, they light a fire. Stories and laughter never tire. Monkey strums a tune on a coconut shell. Kangaroo dances, oh what a spell. Monkey the explorer, the sky so blue. Kangaroo's laughter echoes too. Adventure ends, but hearts still glow. Tomorrow's another day to go.